Can police search your home with a red flag order? So a red flag order has been put in place and the court's authorized seizing your guns. Can the police use this order to search your home for the firearms? Absolutely. If the court has issued an order that your firearms can be taken, then if they don't already, police are going to get a warrant. They're going to get a warrant to search and seize any and all firearms that you have. And generally speaking, right, where are you going to keep your firearms? You're going to be at your home or your apartment, wherever you live. So yes, they're going to be able to come in. They're going to be able to search for firearms. They're going to try to make sure that any and all firearms that you have, they have seized. And this goes back to when they initiated a petition, the officer is going to submit a sworn affidavit, says why they believe that there is probable cause, and the judge is going to look at that. So generally speaking, either police are going to come and do this and take your guns maybe because of a criminal charge, or if it's a criminal action, you're committing a crime, they might just be able to enter your home and take your firearms. But a lot of times they're going to submit that sworn affidavit. If they file this petition, they're going to get that warrant and they're going to come into your home and take the guns. But not only do they have to establish that you might be dangerous, they do have to establish that there is a firearm located at the specific location that they want to search. So it's not something to where they're just like, well, we've established he's dangerous, and so we get to search his work and his mom's house and his girlfriend's house and his friend's house. That's not how it works. Generally, they have to have reason to believe that you have a firearm at a specific location, and they have to be able to express why they have that reason to believe, which generally means that's going to give them the ability to search your house. So while a red flag order does allow and authorize police to seize your firearms, separately, they still need a search warrant to go into your house to do it. So just simply because a red flag order has been issued does not mean they can come into your house. Now, generally, they're going to be a 1-2 punch. If a red flag order has been issued, generally it's going to be very easy for law enforcement to then get a warrant to search your house for the firearms. However, simply because there is an order does not mean they just get a search anywhere they want. And getting the search warrant is standard practice. Nothing changes as far as how they get the search warrant here versus in a criminal case. Although again, this isn't criminal. When they proceed with this, it's the same standard. It's just probable cause. And when they initiate the petition, the fact that they filed the sworn affidavit and the court found probable cause, if they did to issue the order, they're going to be able to get that search warrant. So if you have any questions about how to search warrant and how they can seize your firearms and what that looks like, call us at the Marc Lopez Law Firm, 317-632-3642. And remember, always plead the fifth.